Today's taste test is green chili chicken and beans, October 1920. And today is April Fool's Day 2021. But we're not going to fool you, so don't worry about that. The recipe on this was through Rose Red. And we're going to open up and do a taste test on chicken thighs that were made in June 2019. These are real taste tests because you can't get a good taste test off of brand new canned stuff. Okay, so can opener.
Can opener. Here we go. Hear that pop.
You can put that in the saucepan and put it on the stove.
Yes. Oh, yes. Chicken out of it.
Of course, we get this in the
Smells
way.
good.
Why don't you have a rubber spatula? We never use metal in the jars. Okay, now for this one, which is chicken thighs, and there's jalapeno and garlic and spices in there. And Dagny's gonna open it. Okay, canned in June 1919. I'm sorry, 2019. It's been a long month. And she's gonna dish out a few onto the saucer, and we are gonna taste it.
Okay. Come around and test it. Let's see what we got.
Okay.
Firm.
It is firm.
Definitely better than white meat.
Well, you have to be specific. Canned white meat?
Better than our canned chicken breast.
Okay, finally, she said it. You just gotta egg it out of her. Okay, this is better than canned white meat.
Canned chicken breast.
Canned chicken breast. This is chicken thighs. What?
Did you have a bite? I didn't even see.
Yes, I did. It tastes really good.
It does.
Okay, now we're gonna combine the two. Of course,
Okay, we're going to try the juice, the broth from our canned chicken.
no, canned green chili gahumptamo.
No, that's over there. This is
Oh.
just the chicken. It's good. It was just a light chickeny flavor, but not too salty. But it tastes like a good broth.
And I had a couple bites off this. Anything beats ugly chicken. This is really tasty. But if you love canned tuna, well, do ugly chicken. If you want something else with a different texture, do chicken dark meat, like thighs. You can get these packs at Sam's that are skinless and boneless, and they're really tasty. Now these are old. These jars have been canned for a while, so you're getting a true taste test.
I'm gonna check it out.
Okay, here we are. Taste test. It's been heated, probably too hot because Dagny loves heating things hot. Hey, some beans.
Yeah.
That's what I want to taste test right now.
Beans are wonderful. Chicken's good.
Beans are really good. They're not crunchy, they're not détente. I mean, they just melt in your mouth good.
Yeah. A little
Okay.
zippy spice there in the green chili. Very good.
The meat is really good. It's not mushy like canned tuna, aka ugly chicken. It is really good. It's hot because we put in New Mexico hot green chilies. Well, and I'll put the recipe in the box below, description box below. Take another taste. Tell me what it's like.
It is good. The chicken is excellent. Perfect.
It's almost like we just fried it tonight.
Spicy. Love that it can taste the green chili. Can taste the cilantro a little bit.
But we also put in quite a bit of Dagny's dehydrated garlic, which is a kick-up taste.
It's rich. It tastes very rich.
So on both of these recipes, because we added the chicken green chili candy whatever it is definite thumbs up, and canned chicken thighs is a definite thumbs up. In the taste test, one thing I forgot to show. Now this comes from this jar, and get it there. These are jalapenos slices, and they turn everything turns to mush, even the garlic, when it's canned for 75 to 90 minutes. The meat, however, is not mush. It can be shredded easily, but it's not mush, and I'm gonna eat that. And the meat in that jar, has wonderful flavor, because I put dehydrated garlic, onion, frozen jalapeno slices that you've seen on another video, and it has a wonderful flavor. And what I like, there's no fat in the jar. I'm not into fat. Now here, in our little square thing, let me zoom in. That's the green let's see, navy bean, green, let's see. In this one, the same thing applies. In the green stuff, see, it just goes to mush. The garlic went to mush. But the nice thing, when it's cooked, it goes to mush in your mouth. And the beans, right there, I'm gonna taste them again.
Rich and creamy.
They are good.
Rich and creamy.
Almost melt in your mouth. Delicious. We were so hungry last night, we didn't do justice to our taste rate.
No.
But the sauce or juice in this mostly is green chili. And it is delicious. There's a little sliver of garlic. Dagny calls it, when we can with garlic, she calls it garlic pate. Because it is good. Jeez, I'm gonna have another bite. Do you want to eat before you go? Anyway, so I just wanted to kind of make that clear that what we made, like this, a lot of stuff in it, as you can see. But I was stirring it, trying to find garlic pieces. And they all mashed in. Isn't that delicious?
It's delicious. Did we cook the beans first in this?
According to the recipe.
Huh?
According to the recipe.
What a difference between cooking your beans and using dry beans in a product.
Why?
Because they come out nice and creamy. They're just wonderful.
The cooked beans. Yeah.
Yes.
And if you just use dry beans, as we've discovered, it just fills the jar with mucky bean starch.
How come this is better today than even last night?
I know. Okay, so there you have it. We'll leave all the links below. Thank you. And please subscribe if you'd like to.